Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It has been a while since I've made a new video. So today, in the new year of 2020, this is going to be my first drink video. So what I'm going to be making today is going to be a tropical sunrise. So I'm going to start with my Simply Orange, and this has pineapple in it as well. And then I'm going to pour in my grenadine. And then I have my melon liqueur, and then I just have one of the shakers, and I'm gonna pour the melon liqueur in there, and I'm gonna pour some of the alcohol in there with it. And I'm using the Absolut vodka, and I just got some small bottles because I'm only making 2 drinks today. I'm going to pour 2 of those in there. Then I'm just going to give that a shake. Then we're going to pour that on top. Gonna garnish with some pineapples on the side. And there you have it, guys. My tropical sunrise. And I was gonna do just a regular tequila sunrise, but then I saw this recipe and I was like, ooh, I gotta try it. And then I know if you know, for those who want to add more liquor, you can just take one of these bottles and just put it in there upside down if you would like. And that'll be cute as well. I'll do one with one of the ones I just used. Have it like that. So thanks again, guys, for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you all are having a great start to your new year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below if there's something that you would like to see me make. And I hope you all have a good day. Bye-bye.